any height or any length. This ramp could be permanent or it could be temporary. And we could install these or disassemble these in a matter of hours. So it's a great product.
No kidding.
We can set it up for somebody very quickly, and it's actually very flexible in where you can use it. We've used these in front of houses, we've used them in garages, we've used them on back decks.
Sure.
Great, great solution to get somebody in the house.
Oh, that's great. That's fantastic, because often once folks have their loved one home, let's say from rehab, and then sort of the help is kind of disappearing, right?
Yeah.
Because people have to get back to work. Then they realize, oh my goodness, this transition is much more difficult for my loved one to navigate. And so knowing that you can kind of come in and obviously take measurements and do all that you need to do, but do that in relatively short order, that's fantastic for families to know.
Yeah, I suppose from what you're saying, obviously this can be done as a permanent or a temporary solution.
Right.
So can you rent these as well as
Absolutely.
buying them?
So based on the customer's needs, we'll figure out whether they need if it's short term, we would definitely offer a rental option. But the thing is, some people don't know. Some people may think, I might be getting better, but they're not really sure. So we also offer rent with owning in mind.
Oh, an option to buy.
To buy.
That's right.
Right. So a good portion of their money towards the rent will go towards the purchase. So we really try to not only come up with a good solution, but come up with the most economical solution